it's me again. Welcome to my channel. And now we are going now to the second swimming pool. So this is, oh my god, sorry. This is the building behind my back. It's behind me. This is the building behind me. See. Done washing? Okay, let's go to the pool. Come. And this is the warm pool. Time, it's I think going to be 2 o'clock. So this is the setting area because there's also a cafe here. So this is the place. We sit here. So this is the warm pool. So there's this one is for adult, and this one is for the babies. But Bella will go to the adult pool because she could swim and she has the floats also. Yeah, so it's no problem. I can go in that big one, which is, yes, so this is how it looks like in a second pool. Hi, I'm swimming in a baby pool. Yeah. Do you plan to do this one? You can do it? I am a mermaid, so I'm becoming red now because we've been in the first we've gone to other pool, now we've been to the beach, and now this is our last destination. Do you like it? Yeah. We will be here until evening. Now it's already 1:30 and we will stay here until evening because we like this place. And they have also in this place it has a cafe where you can get your drinks and some snacks. So we want to stay here because it's easy for us to, if you feel hungry, you just have to order. The other pool doesn't have a cafe. Only in this area has cafe. My daughter have meet some new friends. You can see there's some friends. She's enjoying, having fun. Why you didn't put this down? Get spoiled? Huh?
Just like that.
When is your birthday? My birthday next day. What? My birthday is next day. This day and then next day. Can we race? Yeah, no. No, wait. How about you start from that video? How about that? Where is your mom? mother. This is my
Hi, your mother. Hi.
my dad. I got new friends.
Oh, good.
Kuya, guys.
She got new friends.
Yeah.
Swim. Yes.
Okay, come on. I'll push it this direction. Ready? One, two. I have to keep pushing you. Oh my God.